Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about water heaters a little bit, and I'm going to explain what we have right now on the market available and what type of water heaters we have and what's the difference and which one fits better for your house, or maybe which one is a better option for your customer. So let's go ahead and let's consider first one. First one I would like to show you. It's a regular gas water heater. Probably many of you have this water heater in your house. It's pretty simple. It has a tank itself. Tank usually made from steel, and it has insulation foam inside, an external layer of steel just to protect foam and to make sure it doesn't provide any heat to external area. So inside this water heater we also have burner, and this burner, it looks like this guy right here. So basically it's a gas valve with a gas pipe, pilot and burner at the end. This burner goes inside water heater, and what's going on inside, it just pushes gas when temperature drops down, and it just fires up this gas. It burns the gas and water gets warm, and when it reaches some set points it shuts off the gas, and this is it. Simple, really simple to use. So nothing crazy, nothing expensive, and most of you have this water heater in your house. So what we're looking for if we would like to replace this water heater, we usually trying to choose proper capacity for your home to make sure you have enough water for your needs. So if it's probably one or two people household, you might need about 40 gallons water heater. If it is about 3 or 4 people in household, you might need about 50 or 60 gallon capacity water heater. Or if it's a bigger house or maybe big family, so you might need 85 or even bigger water heater. What advantages it has? It heats up water pretty fast. It's not as fast as tankless or instant hot water heater, but still it's pretty fast, and you might take a shower, another person might take a bath, and it will be enough for you. So it's pretty good. One main disadvantage of this water heater, it consumes gas, and it consumes a lot of gas. So if you're looking for some savings, or if you consider to have some environment-friendly system in your home, maybe it's not the best choice for you. So let's take a look inside. What's going on inside this tank water heater? Here, as I said, we have a burner. It looks like a big pipe inside the tank itself. So gas burner goes inside, flame goes from the bottom inside this pipe, through the pipe, and it boils the water which surrounds this area. Third disadvantage, which I would like to discuss, you can't control temperature inside, really. And because you can't control temperature inside, water boils at some high temperatures. And what's going on with it when it boils? It produces a lot of sediment, and this sediment goes inside your water heater, and after a while, after maybe 3-5 years, it just contains a lot of calcium or a lot of different minerals, and it stays in your water heater. So you need to consider it too. Second type of the water heater we have in our households, it is full electric water heater. It is super simple. It consists from tank and heating elements which is inside this tank. Basically you just connect it to electricity. It heats up the water by heating up these heating elements, and it boils it to the needed temperature, and this is it. It is cheap, simple, not energy efficient at all. You might see it in some apartments, you might see it in your home, and again, if you would like to save some money, if you would like to be more efficient in terms of how you heat your water, you might consider to replace it. Here is the third type of the water heater I would like to discuss today. It is a heat pump water heater, and this type of the water heater, it uses one major component to heat the water. It's called a heat pump. It's usually at the top of the water heater, and it provides a heat inside the tank and boils the water. Similar to the regular water heaters, it exchanges temperature in between of heating element and water itself. But it uses high efficient heat pump mechanism to heat up the water. And the heat pump is usually taking about 1 kilowatt of energy and turns it to 3 or even 4 kilowatts of heating energy, which heats up your water inside the water tank. These guys are probably the most efficient units on the market right now. And if you would like to replace your gas tank water heater, or if you would like to get rid of electrical water heater inside your home, you might consider this type of the water heater as a future investment. So right now you know 3 major types of the water heaters we use in our modern homes. And right now you're aware, and if you're aware, you know what to choose for your future. And in case if your water heater fails one day, make sure you choose a proper one. For example, if you're looking for a short-term solution, or you don't really consider to save some money, you need to use gas water heater. But if you're looking for a long-term solution and you would like to be environment friendly and save some money, the best choice for you is a heat pump water heater. Another thing you might need to consider when you choose your gas water heater is this yellow sticker here. It might seem not significant, but it really shows you efficiency and how much money you're going to spend in average per year. Previously we discussed energy stickers and how much you might spend for gas if you're using gas water heater. So take a look at the heat pump water heater, same energy sticker, and it shows you exactly how much you're going to spend using this water heater.